Have you ever wondered exactly why it is that in Pokemon Gold and Silver, the Elite Four member Lance has 3 prematurely evolved Dragonite? In order to find our answer to this question, we have to look at Generation 1. In Generation 1, Pokemon Red and Blue, Lance has 3 Dragonite, 2 at level 47 and 1 at level 50. Likewise, in Pokemon Fire Red and Leaf Green, the remakes of the Generation 1 game, Lance has 2 level 54 Dragonair and 1 level 60 Dragonite. Dragonair evolves into Dragonite at level 55. So based on this information, we can conclude that in Generation 1, Lance had no prematurely evolved Dragonite. In fact, some of them aren't even evolved at the right time due to stocked evolution, which anyone can do. However, in Generation 2, Gold and Silver, Lance has 3 Dragonite, 2 at level 47 and 1 at level 50. In the remakes Heart Gold and Soul Silver, Lance has 3 Dragonite, 2 being at level 49 and 1 being at level 50. So we can see that in both the original and remakes of Generation 2, Lance has prematurely evolved Dragonite. The question remains, why and how are these Dragonair evolved into Dragonite so early? Well, in order to find our answer, we have to look at a time in Generation 2 where there were Pokemon being prematurely or forced to evolve. This leads me to the Lake of Rage, coincidentally where we first meet Lance, or is it? At the Lake of Rage, there were Magikarp being forced to evolve into Gyarados, hence the red Gyarados that you have to fight. But how would this affect Lance's Dragonair? To answer this question, we have to find out how the Magikarp were being forced to evolve in the first place. Well, if you look in the Pokemon Adventures manga, Silver tells Gold that there are strange radio waves in the area, which is the Lake of Rage, that are forcing wild Pokemon to evolve. It is also stated and shown in the game that radio waves are being used by Team Rocket to force evolution upon the Magikarp. Although this still doesn't answer why they affected Lance's Dragonair Pokemon, I have an idea why they would have. Both Dratini, the first evolution of Dragonite, Dragonair, and Magikarp can be found in the water. Also, although neither Magikarp nor Gyarados are Dragon-type Pokemon, we can see that Gyarados has a very dragon-like build. In fact, some may say that Gyarados is related to Dragonite Pokemon, which is something that we can talk about at a later date. But, if they do have such similar origins, assuming that radio waves require a certain frequency to evolve specific Pokemon, is it possible that the radio waves would have just so happened to be strong enough to affect both the evolution time of Magikarp and Dragonair? The answer is a mystery. So, are these circumstances just coincidences in the game? Or are they the result of radio waves used by Team Rocket to forcibly evolve the Magikarp at the Lake of Rage that somehow affected Lance's Dragonair Pokemon? The answer may be just beneath our fingertips, but in the end, we may never know for sure.